This is part 6 of the Toyota Corolla pre-purchase used car inspection. She just took it for a ride on the interstate, and what we're looking for is any kind of wetness, visual wetness. I do not see anything except the air condition dripping, which is right down there. I'll try to zoom in on it. There's the air condition dripping. That is completely 100% normal. So now what we're going to do, we're actually going to get under the car and I'm going to look to see if anything is hitting the ground. The car is running. Ew. As you can see, I do not see absolutely anything crazy except the air conditioning dripping. I, Miguel, give this vehicle a 2 thumbs up to drive. And I always tell everybody Toyota and Honda are the best cars in the world to own. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that share button. And like I said, any mobile mechanics doing pre-purchase used car inspections, sorry about that. Mechanics doing pre-purchase used car inspections is very good money. I sell the paperwork for the customer. I also sell the paperwork for the technician to go through their checklist. All you have to do is call us directly, 757-296-8422, or go to the mobilemechanic757.com and buy it. Thank you.